आपका जो आपने
नहीं, वो तो नोट में तो डिफरेंट
जी
सब्जेक्ट्स पे है ना.
सर, पैरा 723 पैरा 23
मास्टर ऑफ रोस्टर.
जी मास्टर ऑफ द रोस्टर. काइंडली सी सर, पूरा एक हेडिंग के साथ, एक माय लॉर्ड काइंडली सीज दैट इसमें है पेज 64 एंड द रेलेवेंट पोर्शन माय लॉर्ड विल फाइंड इट.
नहीं, 64 से तो
पेज 90 पे, ये जो बुकलेट दी है उसमें पेज 90 पे सर.
पेज 90.
जी may I read it, sir? My lord. It was emphatically argued by learned counsel for the petitioner that the Chief Justice is the master of the roster, hence there is no need for any committee to constitute benches of the Supreme Court. Undoubtedly, the Chief Justice is the first among equals as primus inter pares, but by virtue of this office he has to discharge certain administrative duties and powers. In the statement of objects reason, it is provided inter alia that the constitution of benches has been a subject of discussion at various forums. In the past, as well as some skepticism and reservation were expressed by certain quarters regarding the individualistic administrative powers of the Chief as Master of the Roster. My Lord. Consequently, the Act was promulgated to create a collegium system so that every cause, appeal or matter before the Supreme Court be heard and disposed of by a bench constituted by the committee comprising the Chief Justice of Pakistan and the two next most senior judges in the order of seniority. Prior to the Act, when there was no collegium system in place, it was obvious the Chief Justice who was the master of the roster and who was tasked with constituting benches, and now after the coming into force of the Act, this role has been assigned to the committee, which is now for all intents and purposes the master of the roster. This, my Lord,